welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited. Thank you so much to everyone who's subscribed, who's supported our channel from the very beginning. I want to do a couple of shout outs, not too many, and I know I'm not going to hit everybody because my memory's not that good, but I appreciate all of you who have supported me and my channel for so long. How about Parnell the Chef? Parnell, you're awesome. He always makes really thoughtful comments on all my videos, always watches the content, and I can tell he watches it all the way through. And his channel is amazing. He makes so many different kinds of food. It is so good. Argentine-American mix. It's awesome. Isabell's Kitchen, supporting of me for so long, and you have some awesome recipes too. Baking with Vero, you make some beautiful things, and I appreciate your support of mine as well. Blueberry Pancake, thank you so much for all of your lovely comments. I think you're probably the only person I know who has watched every single video I've made and commented on all of them, so thank you so much. Eccentric Nature, he makes some really awesome videos about herbs and the history of herbs, as well as a tea of the day. It's really interesting. Maria PR, you make some lovely cakes as well, and I enjoy your recipes too. Wedding Cakes for You, Lorelei is amazing, and makes some really beautiful things. Mother-daughter cooking, yes, you make some really beautiful things. I really appreciate that you comment on my videos as well. Thank you. I'm probably butchering this one because I'm not familiar with the pronunciation. Lamya Elsayed, I hope that's right. Thank you so much for your support. You do some lovely and amazing work as well. Thank you so much. And lots of other ones. Historical Italian cooking, makes medieval recipes, really fascinating, with some lovely music in the background. And so many more. Thank you so much for all of your support, for always watching my videos, for commenting. I really appreciate it. It really makes a difference. So thank you for bringing me to this point. 1,000 subscribers. Yay!